Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today we're going to make a marinade for some chicken. So let's get started. So far my food processor, I have some scallions, parsley, cilantro, and lemon zest. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, the link anyway, and that will lead you to my website, which has the ingredients listed out. Then we have some lemons here, a lime, garlic, and some spices. We'll get into that later. So now I'm just going to get my lemons and limes squeezed. The same one that I took the zest off of it. I'm not going to use that entire lime juice, just half of it, but I'm using all the lemon juice. You're going to squeeze them all out. You should get about maybe a quarter cup if your lemons are nice and juicy like mine's. Plus they're kind of big. Alright, so now that I have all my juice nice and juiced, you're going to add about 5 large cloves of garlic down in here, fresh garlic. You're going to add some chili flakes for some heat. You could put some fresh jalapeno down in here or some habanero, some garlic powder, your lemon juice. The salt and pepper I'm not going to put in the processor. I want to actually season the chicken first so I can really gauge how much salt I'm putting on my chicken. Then to this, you're also going to add this. You can use all-purpose seasoning, but today I'm using this. Let me see. Let me focus. This Jamaican Choice chicken seasoning. I got this. My mother actually gave me this, and I don't know what store she got it from, but it should be in your international market. You're going to add maybe about 3 tablespoons. Again, always check my description box. We're going to post this up and pour it over the chicken. Alright, so I have 2 quartered pieces of chicken here. So you're just going to take your marinade and put it right on here. I like how it's nice and thick and not watery. But by the time, you know, it soaks in there, it's going to produce liquid. So, because of the salt, sodium, whatever, even though I didn't add my salt yet, but that's fine. I didn't add black pepper because I actually tasted my marinade and it's, you know, it's borderline spiced. So it's not hot, but it's spiced. So I don't need the black pepper. The chili flakes was enough for me. So now I'm going to add my salt. And that's pretty much good for me with salt. So this is what it looks like. Mine is going to marinate for 24 hours. You could do yours 6 hours, but up to overnight is preferable, especially because we use a lot of fresh herbs. So, you know, it needs some time to soak into the chicken. And yep, and I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow, and we're going to bake this off. Alright, so this is my chicken in my pan. I'm going to pop this chicken into a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Then I'm going to crank it up to 425 so it could get nice and brown and crisp on top. Not crispy like fried chicken, but, you know, a nice skin. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. It smells, I can't even tell you what it smells like right now the next day. So this is why I marinate my chicken mostly overnight. You get a better product and, you know, more juiciness, more flavor. So, yeah, now I'm going to pop it in the oven and then I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. You can serve this up with whatever you want to serve it up with. I'm just going to have vegetables. Alright guys, so this is my salad right here that I'll be serving up with my chicken. All that's in here is some green leaf lettuce, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. And the dressing that I used, I sprinkled a little bit, not much, because I didn't make it from scratch. The lemon chia seed dressing from Private Selections. I got that from the Kroger supermarket. So that's pretty much all that I have on there. Then you're going to take your Parmesan cheese and grate it. Just grate a little bit of Parm on here. And that's it for my salad. That's it. Delicious. You can add pepper on here, which I'm about to, but alright guys, so this is what the chicken looks like. It's nice and charred, nice and golden all over. And I let it rest for about 10-15 minutes. It still has some smoke coming up off of there. But I'm just going to chop it in half and put it on the plate. And then put the residual meat juices from the pan and just drizzle it over it and let you guys see what it looks like. You can chop your chicken meat however you want to. I'm just going to go right down the middle underneath the wing right here and just, oh, look at all that. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. Even after it rested 15 minutes. It's so juicy. What did I tell you guys? When you marinate your chicken overnight, this is what you get. So I'm going to put it on the plate and let you guys see close up what it looks like. So now I'm just going to take some of the pan juices and you're just going to pour it. I tasted a little piece of the chicken back there. It's so moist and full of flavor. The citrus definitely comes through. It's really good. So I hope you guys give this chicken a try. If you don't even use this marinate your chicken overnight, period. It's better off the next day. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.